Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to download your Dreamweaver software and install it from Blackboard. Then we're going to open up Dreamweaver and set up our FTP account in our file folders. Okay. The first thing you need to do is go to Blackboard and click on the link that says Dreamweaver 2014. When you click on the link, it's going to bring you up to another link that says Dreamweaver 2014. Once you click on this link, it's going to download the software to your download files. Go ahead and complete that task. Once you're done downloading it, you can minimize Blackboard. Go to your file folders where it says Downloads. Locate the Dreamweaver 2014 software. Right click on it and say Extract All. Once you say Extract All, you need to give it a destination folder. So you can browse on your computer to any folder you would like. In this case, I'm going to put it in my Documents folder. And then just say Select Folder and click on Extract. Okay. Once your software is extracted, you will have a folder that looks similar to this. Once you get to this point, click on the Setup wizard I'm going to ignore this one and let my installer run. Once you are done with the install, you will get the window that says Install. It says I have purchased. In this case, I have already purchased the software, or you can use the trial. Now remember, there's only a limited function on the trial, and if it runs out, you may end up losing your Dreamweaver application software. So in this case, click on Install, and it will take you to a window that will ask you to sign in. Now, if I sign in, it's going to give me a logon screen. I've already purchased the application. It's going to bring you up to an option where you will have to select a payment option to receive the activation code. Go ahead through with the application and select the $19.95 a month purchase or the $29.95 a month purchase, whichever one you prefer. Please read all the details. That is how you get your activation code for Dreamweaver. Once you've got your activation code and Dreamweaver up and running, we will do one other thing before we launch the actual application. You need to set up a set of folders where we will store the Dreamweaver files. You can set these up anywhere on your computer you'd like. I'm going to set it up on the desktop. So I'm going to right click on the desktop, go to New Folder, and I'm going to name this folder CIT, all capitals, 155. That's where we're going to house all of our files and folders for these Dreamweaver class. You click on the Dreamweaver folder, and inside of this folder, we're going to make 3 other folders. We're going to right click, say New Folder. This one will be TripSmart. I'm going to make another folder, same process. I'm going to call this one Stripes. Go back on it. Oops, go back. Striped underscore umbrella. Striped umbrella. That one's done. And the last one I'm going to make here is CC. So I've got all 3 folders made. Now there's one other thing we need to do with these folders, because an FTP site will not accept an empty folder. So I'm going to put a file inside of each of these folders just for temporary. So I'm going to go into CC. I'm going to right click, say New. In this case, I'm going to say text document. But I'm going to name the document index.html. Okay. Then I'm going to copy this file, go back to my 155 folder, go into Striped Umbrella, I'm going to right click and paste that file in there. I'm going to go back to my 155 to TripSmart. I'm going to paste that file in there. Great. Now we've got all of our folders set up and files that we need to set up our Dreamweaver site. I'm going to close this. And if you've got Dreamweaver activated, you should be able to access it now. I'm going to go to Dreamweaver 2014. This is the only application you can use, Dreamweaver 2014. Make sure it says Dreamweaver 2014, not 2015. You cannot use 2015 in this class. Takes it a few moments to load all of its plugins. Great, looks like we're here. Okay, we're inside of Dreamweaver. Now we need to set up our site where our Dreamweaver files are going to be stored. I'm going to close this video out for here, and I will start up another video on how to set up your site.